Nearly 1/3 of sales managers complain that their customer data is incomplete, out of date, or inaccurate. You are tuned into the CRM Lab, your favorite CRM experts. We've prepared a list of essential fields for your CRM records. These fields will help you craft offers your leads won't be able to turn down. Watch until the end to find them all out, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all our actionable CRM advice. And now, let's get growing! First, you need to keep your CRM records up to date and fully complete. This way, you get to target specific audiences, prioritize tasks for maximum productivity, and personalize your outreach efforts. Realistically, it's impossible to know everything about your leads. And kind of creepy too. So, you need to decide on the most crucial segments of data to record. Just 6 is apparently enough, and you'll find out which ones in a second. But before we get to that part, you need to make sure that you are using the best CRM solution for your business. Schedule a free demo call to learn more about NetHunt CRM. So, after a name, the first thing to include in your CRM record is a job title. You want to reach out to the right people to minimize the length of your sales cycle. The job title field in the CRM card tells you whether the person is the company decision maker. Are they the right person to deal with? Once you know who to speak to, you need to know how to do it. Email is one of the most effective outreach channels, making it a must-have field. Besides, the email address alone gives you an insight into the quality of the lead. As a rule of thumb, leads with custom domains tend to be more serious. The company domain or website is a must-have field for any customer record. Once your relationship starts moving further, you would want to find out everything there is to know about your potential client. The best way to do it is to check out their website. Field number 4 is the team size of your leads company. This is useful for loads of reasons. You can better understand your leads' business workflows, you can adjust your offer, or you can find out if they qualify for a special pricing plan. Finally, the last 2 fields you can't go without are the lead score and the deal closing probability. You need to effectively manage your sales rep workload and prioritize certain tasks. To find out who's worthy of your time, you need to put a number on the lead's quality. Then you'll quickly understand whether or not it will be easy to land the deal. Et voila! 6 fields later and your CRM records are way more useful. From there, it's all about how well you manage the information you gather. Make sure you get the most out of your customer data with a reliable CRM solution. Schedule a free demo call and find out how NetHunt CRM can help you drive more sales. Organize, automate, grow. NetHunt CRM.